Hey everybody, I'm Heidi from Hands Occupied, here with another knitting video tutorial for you today. In this video, we are going to look at a right lifted increase in knitting, which is a great alternative to the very common make one right. We're also going to talk about why you might want to use a make one versus a lifted increase. Let's dive in. Though not listed in the Craft Yarn Council's list of knitting standards and abbreviations, a right lifted increase is a way to increase your stitch count by adding a stitch in between two columns of stitches that leans to the right. Make one right, or M1R stitches, are also right leaning increases made between stitches. Make one stitches, whether right or left leaning, are worked by pulling up on the strand of yarn running between columns of stitches, twisting it, and knitting into it. The twist results in a tiny hole and more tension on your finished knit fabric. More tension can mean more curling, particularly if you're increasing a lot at once near the edge of your knitting. This can be desirable, but sometimes you might prefer something different. That's where lifted increases come in. People like to describe lifted increases as nearly invisible. Lifted increases are accomplished by picking up a loop through a stitch knit in the previous row or round. Other names you might hear for lifted increases are raised or invisible increases. To work a right lifted increase, or RLI, you're going to need to knit in your row or round until you're ready to increase. Then you're going to open up your knitting stitches almost like a book. Locate the stitch below the first stitch on your left-hand needle. Insert the tip of your right-hand needle into the right leg of that stitch from the back, opening it up slightly, and place it knitwise on your left-hand needle. Knit into the lifted up stitch, followed by knitting into what was the first stitch on your left-hand needle before continuing in your work. Showing you that one more time, you insert the right needle into the stitch below the first on your left-hand needle. Then place the right leg of that stitch onto the left-hand needle and knit into it knitwise. Finally, knit into what was the first left-hand needle stitch, and you're good to go. Here's what a series of right lifted increases looks like, worked on every right side row. Looking closely, you can see this nice diagonal line form. If you're curious to compare right lifted increases to make one right increases, there's a link to my M1R tutorial in the description. And that was how to work a right lifted increase, or RLI, in knitting. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for even more video tutorials and reach out in the comments if you've got any questions. I've been Heidi. Thank you so much for watching.